How did you use media technologies in the construction, research, planning and evaluation stages? When constructing and planning our product, we searched popular horror films using the search engine Google, such as Sinister and The Purge, to understand how the trailers present the storyline and what the conventions of the poster and website are. With my group, we began to think about various plots and ideas. Using the website Bebble.us to create a brainstorm diagram, we suggested ideas to do with the choice of subgenre, as well as supernatural and psychological, where we would set our film, the types of villain, whether they were unrealistic and paranormal or contemporary and realistic, as well as various plot lines. We used SurveyMonkey to create a questionnaire to hand to people. This would help us finalise what genre of horror to follow and what people wanted and expected from a horror film. The feedback from the questionnaire showed psychological films were the most favoured, so we decided to pursue that option. After discussing what concepts and plot lines we enjoyed the most, we then selected the most popular ones. This included an abandoned house synopsis, as well as a stalker storyline. I presented these ideas in a PowerPoint, which we then uploaded onto a SlideShare so we could present and showcase our ideas. When creating the trailer, which was our main product, we went to various locations local to us and filmed the footage we needed using a video camera. We then uploaded the scenes and shots we liked onto iMovie. iMovie was particularly useful when editing the certain shots we wanted to keep or delete, and we were able to cut scenes in terms of their duration and also overlap audio sounds over certain segments. In addition to making a trailer for our film, we also produced 2 ancillary products, a poster and a website. When making the poster, I used Microsoft Publisher due to its easy navigation one has when using the software. In order to edit the image of my main antagonist, I used Adobe Fireworks. This helped cut and crop various images I wanted to use, so they'd appear eerie and more suitable for my poster. I was also able to alter the colour and therefore create better filters for the images, improving the overall scariness and horror factor of the poster. When trying to find the right font for my title, I used 1001 fonts. This website was very helpful, as its subcategories helped me define what type of font I wanted. For example, in my case, I intended to have a handwritten and scratchy type. When making the website, I used Wix. This site helped me develop my ancillary products, and I was able to easily navigate my way around, in turn constructing a layout different to that of the original template, meaning I could be as creative as I liked. With Wix, I was able to upload images from when filming the trailer, as well as a video, which included the entire trailer, which I placed on the homepage. Media technologies were also very important in the evaluation of my product. Given 4 questions to answer, I made sure I used an array of software and ways of answering them. This included a PowerPoint presentation, an answer using the Prezi format, and a Windows Movie Maker made video. This shows I could easily interpret and answer several questions using a variety of different online software. As we developed our products and wrote our evaluations, we also developed an individual blog using the website WordPress, where we document and showcase the planning, preparation and assessment of our media products. Overall, this shows that I used various media technologies when constructing and creating my products, and also helped greatly when evaluating them.